Homecoming is just around the corner and proposals are really starting to roll in.
I know, it's in 2 weeks and I still haven't found anybody to match my army green dress or sparkly pumps.
Don't worry, Charlie, there's still plenty of time and I'm sure there are others in your shoes.
But I can't procrastinate this year. What am I supposed to do?
There's gotta be something to help those in need.
Ladies, chill out. I'm the homecoming coordinator, aka Jacory.
What do you mean?
I'm here to help you with your overall outfit and your proposal poster.
Now let's go find some kids who need some coaching.
Hey, what's wrong?
Homecoming is so soon, and I have someone in mind. I'm just too scared to ask.
I can help you with that.
Where'd you come from?
I'm Jacory, the homecoming coordinator.
So you can help me ask my date to homecoming?
Yeah, let's go.
Where are you guys going?
Wait for us!
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
So, do you feel well coached and prepared?
I think so. Do you got any ideas?
I have the perfect proposal. Let's go check out this proposal.
Wow, I really think they got some awesome tips from that coach.
Yeah, and a big congratulations to all the couples out there.
Well, that's it from us on Rohawk Talk this week.
I'm Charlie.
And I'm Michaela.
And I'm Jacory.
Seriously, where do you keep coming from?
What's up, Rohawks? We're back with another video.
This week we'll be covering everything from the band competition to Spirit Week. Stay tuned, we have a lot in store.
Let's take it to Lexi and Drew with the latest news for this week.
Hey Hawks, a lot's been going on this school year and we've got the tea.
We've got everything from Homecoming Spirit Week, Cooking Club, volleyball games, and Student of the Month.
Let's go check out and spill the tea.
Cooking Club met up for the very first time last Thursday in the multipurpose room. They all made omelets and they all turned out great.
I joined Cooking Club because there's free food, and why would I not join? Because that's just like the best part of it, honestly.
I joined Cooking Club because I wanted to learn how to cook.
One of my students, Nathan, asked me about it one day. I thought it would be fun since we don't have a home ec class at Randolph for credit, so I thought it was a good opportunity for some of our students to get more involved with cooking.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I cook a lot at home. I mean, I cook every day, really.
I don't cook. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just here because I'm here.
I do enjoy cooking because, again, I really love food and it's great.
I just came back from Cooking Club and I just had the best omelet, bro.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I just came back from the volleyball game and the girls killed it.
Let's check it out.
In a 3-game showdown, the Lady Rohawks challenged the rival Cole and beat them in 3 sets.
We are a pretty good team and we're pretty strong this year, and I think Cole is an easy team for us to beat.
Both crowds were loud and active, and the pressure was on for both teams. Here's what some of our players said about their great win.
My feelings were very competitive, knowing that we're gonna play our rival Cole. Just go in there and play hard.
Like, I felt pretty confident going against them, and I think we did good.
With the homecoming game being this Friday, the Rollhawks are asking for your support.
Our next game is this Friday, and we play against Garvin. It's here, it's our homecoming game, so please come out to support. It's gonna be a really good game, and then afterwards you can go to the football game because our game's at 5. So come watch us play.
With the homecoming games being on Friday and the dance being on Saturday, students all partook in the Student Council-led Spirit Week. The Spirit Days were athletes versus mathletes, groovy 70s versus crazy 80s, cowboys versus aliens, movies versus TV, and Friday Spirit Day. The Spirit Days were taken seriously and set the perfect tone for this weekend's festivities. The costumes were definitely out of this world.
Another new thing here at Randolph is Student of the Month. Each month, teachers vote for a student of each grade to represent themselves as the best student per month.
Being chosen for Student of the Month, it was really cool. I wasn't expecting it.
I think being in the Student of the Month is really exciting. I think that you get to learn a lot about the school. I got to go out for lunch with Dr. Malone and Miss Bauer, and it was really cool.
And it's just a real good honor, especially knowing I was the first ever Student of the Month. That was really awesome to know that.
He told us a bit about the school, and then we got to see the other students who were doing a lot for our school.
Well, I sure hope I'm Student of the Month next month.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you can be, Drew. You're pretty smart. You stay in your studies.
Thank you. I know. I go hard. I'm pretty smart.
Okay. Anyways, that's it for news. I'm Lexi.
And I'm Drew.
And that's your Rohawk News. Back to you, Shia and Peyton.
Wow, the omelet looks so good. I really want one now.
Well, if we ensure the position of the cooking club at our school, we can have way more than just omelets.
You're so right. Shoot, I should join cooking club. That way I can try all of those different foods.
Sounds heavenly. Wow, there's so many clubs at our school, it's hard to keep up with all of them.
Let's take it to Flamin' Hot Cheetos, who are going to give us an inside scoop on clubs.
Thanks, Peyton and Shia.
We're the Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
And this week,
We're in different clubs.
what's the name of your club?
Women in Business.
Is Spanish Honor Society and
Impact.
Interact Club. Oh, hey there. What's your position in the club?
I'm the president of Women in Business.
I'm the president of Spanish Honor Society.
I'm the vice president.
I'm the president.
Who's your sponsor?
Miss Block.
Our sponsor is Senora Rosa Saunders.
Miss Deputy's our sponsor.
Miss Trammell and Miss Pennebecker.
What days do y'all meet?
We meet the last Monday of the month.
We meet every other Monday.
Look!
What's the purpose of the club?
Open young girls up to the businesses and open them up to the majors that they could go into in college.
Mainly to focus on Hispanic culture, and we also focus a lot on community.
Sort of educate our campus on water conservation and issues about water in the community.
It's like a community outreach.
Do y'all go on field trips?
Yes, we do. We went to the Macomb School of Business last year, and we're planning on a few more this year.
Yeah, we go on a lot of trips. Our favorite one is Caroline downtown, and we also go to El Mercado at the end of the year for Fiesta.
Yeah, so every year we have Confluence in February, which is this huge, basically this water party downtown. Last year we got to go to the zoo and Landa Park and got to work with them on some science stuff.
Yes, we go on field trips.
Does it cost money to join?
No.
No money. It doesn't cost money to join, but yeah, you just have to meet a grade requirement.
No, it's completely free.
It does not cost money.
Are you looking for new members?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, we are always looking for new members. Just participate in your Spanish class and get good grades.
Yeah, we always have an open membership. We just have to get through this deadline.
We're always looking for new members.
Wow, I never knew I could know so much about school clubs.
Let's shift gears and take it on over to Nicole with Carpool Karaoke.
Thanks guys so much for bringing it to school. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
You guys want to listen to some music?
Sure.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
KB, do you love me? Are you riding?
OMG, thank you so much for getting me to school today.
Of course, sister, but I did bring some friends.
You did? OMG, who? Oh my god, yes!
Let's get this party started.
Okay, do y'all mind if we listen to some music?
Of course!
Yes!
Oh my god, this is my song! This is my song! Yeah. Feelings so deep in my feelings. Noticing you really like me. Can't control my anxiety.
Guys, thank you so much for helping me to get to school today.
Of course.
Gee, I love you guys. Bye. Bye.
Wow, that really got me in my feelings. You think that got you in your feelings? Oh, wait until you hear this one. You'll be okay. I've got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. We might find a place in this world someday, but at least for now, I gotta go my own way. What about us? What about everything we've been through? What about trust? You know I never wanna see. Oh, we're already here. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks you guys so much for helping me out. I really appreciate that.
Thank you so much for helping me get to school today.
Of course, but I brought some friends along.
Who?
You'll see.
Oh my god! Hello! Thank you
Hey
so much for
guys.
helping me get to school today.
I mean, you're welcome.
Okay, seatbelts, everybody. Seatbelts.
Yeah.
Safety first. Safety's
Yeah.
the first move.
I don't have a seatbelt.
Okay. Okay. Now, do you guys mind if we listen to some music?
Yeah.
Okay, for sure.
Okay.
Oh,
I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. He's got a one hand feel on the steering wheel, the other on my heart. Our song is the same street bars, singing out, they tapping on your window. When we're on the phone and you talk real slow.
Thank you guys. That was so good. Yes.
Thank you
Yes,
for the
of
ride.
course.
Thank you for the ride.
That looked like so much fun. I want to try Carpool Karaoke.
Let's do it. When are you free?
Right now?
Let's go.
Wait, we have to finish this first.
Oh yeah, right. I got a little too excited. Well, that's all for this week, folks.
We hope you enjoyed our video.
Make sure you like and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Make sure to also follow us on all our social media at Rohawk Talk.
I'm Shia.
And I'm Peyton.
We'll see you next time on
Rohawk Talk.
Peace.
I did it weird, but
I just came back from cooking club. I just sucked my fingers so hard.
You got any ideas?
I have the purple.
Oh, hey, why are you so close?
Okay.
Where are you?
We're in the middle school area.
Hey, what did I say the first time?
Stop talking.
Thanks, Peyton and Shia.
So, do you feel well coached and prepared? Yes, I do.
Go.
Who's your spot?
Bailey.
How often do y'all meet?